So for this part B, so again, let's try this order. So dx, dy, dz. So since we are integrating over x first, so basically we are going to draw a line like this. So then we consider the limit. So clearly it goes from x equals 0, right, until this point here. So here I just need to express x, right, in terms of y and z, right? So if I just use this equation, right, so I have 2 divided by 3 times x equals 2 minus 2y minus z. Okay. So that means x is 3 divided by 2 minus 2y minus z. So this is my upper limit, right? So because this gives us the x position of this point, right, given some value y and z. So then the second step, we are going to integrate along the y direction, right? So that means we are considering a plane like this. Right, the red line that we just did is one of the line that on this green plane, and this green plane is a triangle, right? So again, it's clear that this I want to know the y, right, the y position of this edge, and then the y position of this edge. So the y position of the first edge, of course, is easy. It's just at 0. So what about this one? So this one, I need to know the y position of this corner, this point here. So to do that, right, so I need to know the equation for this line. Okay. So the equation, what is the equation of this line? This line. Right, so this is the equation. To get the equation of this line, we just take the equation for the plane, but set x equals 0. Right, so this is z equals 2 minus 2y. Okay. So that means for a particular value of z, y is 1 minus z divided by 2. So that's why my upper limit is 1 minus z divided by 2. And finally, the third one. So now I need to consider many planes, right? So they all stack together. So the lower one, of course, is here. The z position is in 0. and then the upper one, the top one, 2. So then this is how you would set up the integral if you do this order, dx, dy, dz. So now if we also try another order, so this time I try dz, dx, dy. So that means first I consider a vertical line by starting at this inclined plane, right, and then end at this bottom plane. Or I should starting from the, I should say I start from the bottom plane and then go up to the inclined plane. So again, I go from 0, right? And then the z position of this point, of course, given by this. That's 2 minus 2 divided by 3x minus 2y. And then again, the second step. So the second step, I'm going to integrate along x. So that means I'm considering a plane